If you want to delete your Framer account, this video will walk you through the process step by step in a simple and safe way. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into the correct Framer account, because once you continue, this action is meant to remove your account access and close things out permanently. If this guide helps, please give the video a like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Now, let's get into it. First, open a Framer project. You can do this from your dashboard or any project you already have access to. Once the project is open, look to the top left corner of the screen and click the Framer logo. This is where Framer keeps the main account and workspace options, so it's the first place you want to check. After you click the logo, a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, click your account name or profile. This will open the account-related options for the profile you're currently using. Take a moment here to make sure it's the right account, especially if you manage more than one workspace or use multiple emails. Now look down toward the bottom of the drop-down menu. You should see two options there. One option is to sign out and the other one is delete account. If you're only trying to log out temporarily, sign out would be the safe choice. But if your goal is to permanently delete the Framer account, click delete account. At this point, Framer may ask you to confirm your decision. This is an important step because account deletion is usually not something you can reverse easily. Read any confirmation message carefully before you proceed. If you're sure you want to continue, confirm the deletion and follow any final prompts on screen. Once the process is complete, your Framer account should be removed according to Framer's deletion flow. If you were using that account for any active projects, it's a good idea to double check that everything you need has been backed up or transferred before deleting anything important. That way, you avoid losing access to work you may still need later. And that's it. You've now seen how to delete a Framer account by opening a project, clicking the Framer logo, selecting your account, and choosing Delete Account from the menu. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.